Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'm going to share with you how I make my party sausage jollof rice. And this turned out so delicious, yummicious, name it. It's easy to make, and guys, this is good for your parties, even as for kids parties, and they would surely love it. It's a must try recipe, and I hope you're definitely going to try this. Let's get started. I'm gonna start by prepping my sausage. So this is the size I'm cutting my sausage. You can cut it, you can slice it anyhow you want it. In the saucepan, add in your oil, preheat it, and add in the sausage. We're going to stir fry this for about 5 minutes. Don't over fry it. As soon as it fries a little bit, take it out from the pan and let's move to the next step. So as you can see, it's not really fried because it's already cooked and you do not want to over fry it. When done, take it out from the pan and add in your chopped onion. I'll stir this and let it steam for about 2 minutes and add in ginger garlic powder. So if you don't have the powdered one, you can use the fresh one as well. I'll stir this and let it steam for 2 minutes, and then I'll add in chili powder and tomato paste. I'll stir this again until it's mixed well, and then I'll add in my tomato puree. I'll rinse the bottle and add in water, like the water that I used to rinse the bottle. I'll add it to it and give it a stir. So basically this is the stew. This is the stew. I'll give it a stir, cover it and let it steam for some minutes, for about from 7 to 10 minutes. So at this time it's halfway cooked. I'll stir it again and then add in my spices. So I'm using Sankofa spices, Gino curry powder, and 1 Maggi cube or 1 shrimp cube. So my Sankofa spices and the Gino powder, I brought them from Ghana. You know, when you go to Ghana, you need to bring all these things because you might need them here. I then added in salt and then give it a stir. I'll close it and let it cook until the stew is ready. So after some minutes, you see oil has formed on top. That means the stew is ready or almost ready. I'll give it a stir again because you do not want it to burn at the bottom of the pot. Just look at this stew. This with your chicken, you're good to go. It will go with everything. I'll then go ahead and add in my rice, my washed rice. Stir it until everything has combined. It's well combined with the stew. Stir it well, and then I'll add in a splash of water depending on how hard you want your rice. But me, I like my rice 1-1. So I didn't add in too much water, just a little bit of water, and you are good to go. I'll stir it again and then cover it. So this is the point where I added in salt. I tasted mine and the salt was not enough, so I added in a little bit of salt, and then I tasted it again. It was good for my liking. So I'll stir this, cover it, and let it cook for about 10 minutes. At this point, you want to lower your gas and let it cook slowly. One thing I've learned about cooking is that when you're cooking, just lower the gas and let it cook slowly until it's ready, depending on the kind of food you are cooking. So after some minutes, I'll open it and give it a quick stir, close it and let it cook again, because you do not want, jollof rice, if you cook it on high flame, it will burn at the bottom of the pot, which you do not want it. At this point, I'll go ahead and prep my veggies. I have red onion, green bell pepper, spring onion, and carrots. I'll prep it and set it aside. I'll then move to the rice and go and check what is going on there. At this point, the rice is almost ready. I'll stir it, cover it with parchment paper, and let it cook for some minutes again. And guys, just look at this beautiful this beautiful jollof rice. Just look at how it is one. This is how I love my rice. So like I said, if you want it yours a little bit soft, you can add in more water, but I use more water because I want my one. In my language we call it bako. I'll then go ahead and add in the veggies and then green beans as well, and the almighty sausage. So guys, basically that's it. I'll stir it and make sure everything is well on point, everything is on check, and then cover it and let the veggies cook for about 5 minutes because I still want it crunchy. That's why I waited until the rice is ready before adding in the veggies. And this turned out so yummy, guys. You need to try this. It's very nice. The sausage took it to the next level. No need for you to fry chicken or something like that, because this on it alone, it's still so yumicious. Just look at how it's one, guys. It's very delicious, and I hope you're going to give this a try because it's definitely a must try recipe. I'll cover it again and then let it cook for some minutes, like for the veggies to cook for some minutes. And guys, this is ready. You are good to go. So a friend of mine was waiting for this rice to eat, so guys. See, Gina, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're going to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Love you all. Till then, adios. Bye bye.